Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I make delicious Starbucks style iced coffee here at home. This is so easy, you can do it too. So keep watching if you're interested. Ooh. And guys, I seriously almost do this every day. Those who know me and work with me have seen me do this daily. Alright, so we're going to start by powering on your coffee maker. Now this is the coffee maker that I'm using. This is the BruHub by Nuwave, and I absolutely love this coffee maker. I've been using it for just about a month now, and I am so in love with it. You can use whatever brand iced coffee you like to use. I'm a big fan of the Mac Cafe, and this is what the little pod looks like. And this is their premium roast unsweetened iced coffee. So yeah, this is what we're going to use. I've already filled my cup with ice, and this is one of the cold cups by Starbucks. And yes, it's not a regular plastic cup. It's a hard-sided cup made for this type of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it under the coffee maker because we're going to brew it directly into the cup. And my cup fits perfectly under the BruHub. So I'm going to go ahead now and begin. Make sure that the lid is locked. And one of the main features I love about the BruHub is that I can select the temperature by pressing the temperature button. But I'm going to keep it on 185 because it doesn't have to be extremely hot because, again, we're making cold coffee. Actually, I'm going to put it on 175. And now we are ready. So I'm going to go ahead and select my cup size. I just have to add that this coffee maker does have a selection for iced coffee. But I understand that a lot of you don't have that selection on your coffee maker, and I just want to show you that you can do this with a regular K-cup or coffee maker. Now that my coffee is done brewing, this is where I'd go in and add my flavoring. I like to add caramel and my favorite coffee creamer into my cup. You can add as much creamer as you like. I like my coffee to be a bit indulgent, so I do add sometimes white chocolate to my coffee as well as the caramel. But this is good for me now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give it a stir and give it a sip. Guys, honestly, I do this just about every morning. I even do this at work. Okay, and there it is. Now that is how you make delicious iced coffee at home.